In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ticketmaster error code U533. This error usually appears during checkout when something interrupts the bank or card verification step. It can be triggered by blocked pop-ups, a stale browser session, aggressive extensions, VPNs, or even a finicky browser. Follow along and we'll walk through proven fixes to get you through checkout smoothly. Start by fully exiting Ticketmaster everywhere. Close the Ticketmaster app on your phone or tablet and shut down any open Ticketmaster tabs on your laptop. If the app is running in the background, force quit it. The goal is to reset your session across all devices so Ticketmaster isn't juggling conflicting logins or cached pages while you're trying to pay. Next, if you're using Google Chrome on a laptop, switch to another browser like Microsoft Edge or Safari, or move the checkout to your phone using the Ticketmaster app. Different browsers handle security prompts and cookies differently, and the app often provides the cleanest path through checkout. Open the alternative, sign in, and try your purchase again. Now make sure your browser allows pop-ups. Ticketmaster often triggers security verification windows, things like 3D Secure or Verified by Visa, right when you click to pay. If your browser blocks pop-ups, that window never appears, the authentication fails behind the scenes, and you see U533. Go into your browser settings, search for pop-ups, and allow them. If you prefer not to enable them globally, add an exception for Ticketmaster. Also watch for a small pop-up icon in the address bar during checkout and click to allow it in real time. If the error persists, clear your browser history, cached site files, and cookies. Corrupted or stale data can break the checkout flow or keep an old session alive. After clearing, your browser will sign you out of sites, so be ready to log back in. Then return to Ticketmaster and try again with a fresh session. Temporarily disable third-party extensions such as ad blockers, coupon finders, or privacy tools. These can rewrite page scripts or block essential resources that load the payment and verification steps. Turn them off for this session or for the Ticketmaster site, then refresh and proceed through checkout. Finally, turn off any VPN or network privacy service on your computer or phone. Ticketmaster often flags shared VPN IP addresses as bot traffic, which can trigger U533. Disable the VPN, refresh the page, or relaunch the app and try the purchase again. Work through these fixes in order, and you should be able to complete your purchase without the U533 error.